So in my basement, there's no blinds. Well, there were some, but they were the ones with the cord. So I got these cordless blinds, and I'm going to show you how to install them. The first step is to basically measure the space. My space on my window is 31 inches from one side to the other side. And I got the 31-inch blind because the blind itself is 30.5. So you got half an inch that you can play with. So the first step is to measure. The second step is just to get the blind. The blinds come with the necessary hardware. So you have the screws, the brackets, and like I was telling you, it's 31 inches of my window, and the blind is there's gonna be enough space on this side and on that side because it's 30.5, so it's usually a little bit smaller than what it tells you on the size of the blind. The next step is to put the brackets, and you're not gonna put them all the way in the corner. You're gonna put them right around here where there's room for it to be installed. The second one will be right around there. It's not in the middle because you have something here in the middle. And the third one is going to be right around there. And you can install them, put in the holes here on the wall if you had a wall. On my case, I'm going to put the screws up here. So I put a couple of screws on each one, and they're up there. There's 1, 2, and 3. And the next step is just to basically hook this right here. First, this part right here goes in here, so put that in first, and then this clip goes second. There's 1, 2, 3. And then you have this that you could just put it in the hole. There's a little hook. That's it. So since there's no cord, all you have to do is pull. And once you want to put it up, basically you lift it and it stays there. And there it is. Hope the video helps you install your blinds.